sitting in a 2019 Toyota CHR with the flip key. We're going to be adding one remote portion and the transponder. I'm going to have the original key turned on. Go to Diagnostics, North America, Toyota, CHR, key coding, 19. We're going to do the remote first. Okay, program remote. Here's our new key. We're going to do what the screen says. Hold lock and unlock. Let go. Lock. There's our tone. Remote's programmed. Next, we're going to go back. Mobilizer 3H. Program key. Take the key out. Same key in the ignition. Take the key out. Insert next key. It's inserted. Okay. Now we have about a 45-second wait time. Our security light is right there. See it flashing to the right side of the radio. That's going to stop flashing as soon as it's programmed. We're getting close here. Let's look at the light. It's out. All right, that's it. Take the key out of the switch. Now I'm going to show you the light. There's the light. Insert the key. Lights out. We're done.